welcome to your class, maths class. Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Students, we are doing chapter quadratic equations, chapter number 4 from your NCERT book. Today we are going to discuss nature of the roots. Before starting today's video, let me share its outcomes. After watching today's video, you will be able to compute the discriminant of a quadratic equation and you will be able to state the number and types of solutions of a quadratic equation. बेटा आज आप जब टॉपिक कर लोगे, एक तो आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करना आ जाएगा, सेकेंडली डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालने के बाद आप उसके टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस भी बता पाओगे. We are going to start exercise 4.4. Now, what are the roots of a quadratic equation? The roots of a quadratic equation, which is of the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula we have done in our previous lecture. Now, here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation, and it plays very important role in predicting the nature of the roots. Now, how discriminant predicts the nature of roots? Let's see. Now, a quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots if discriminant is greater than 0. It will have two equal real roots if discriminant is equal to 0. And it will have no real roots if discriminant is less than 0. Okay. Now, let's start. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, find them. Equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Students, this equation is in standard form. So, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now, we will find its discriminant b square minus 4ac. Substituting the values, बच्चे, minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. Minus 3 square is 9, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. This is minus 31, which is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. So, our question will finish here only, because it is given that we will find the roots. If real roots exist only, then we have to find them. As roots are not real, so we will not apply the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is applied only if either discriminant is greater than 0 or discriminant is equal to 0. It is not applied if discriminant is less than 0. Now, moving on to second question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Now, here it is given that roots are equal and the equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Here comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a as 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Since roots are equal, तो क्या कंडीशन होती है? रूट्स इक्वल कब होते हैं? When discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is 0. Substituting the values, k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. From here, k square is 24. K is equal to plus minus root 24. Now, we can write 24 as its prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. तो बेटा यहाँ से इसका पेयरिंग हो गया, एक पेयर बाहर आ गया. So we get k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. As it was given that roots are equal, so we applied that d is equal to 0, and d means discriminant is 0, and discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. After substituting the values, we get the value of k. Now moving on to next question, question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. Let's assume that let breadth be x meters. So length is twice the breadth, so therefore length is equal to 2x meters. Area is equal to length into breadth, that means 2x into x, which is equal to 2x square. Sorry, 2x square meter square, but it is given that area is equal to 800, है ना? So 2x square is equal to 800. From here we get x square is equal to 400. X square minus 400 is equal to 0. As it is asked that is it possible? Is it possible? We have to discuss the nature of roots. From here a is 1, b is 0, c is minus 400. Finding the discriminant, d is equal to b square minus 4ac means 0 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 400. We get 1600, which is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. As roots are real and distinct, therefore it is possible, yes, it is possible to design this rectangular field. Okay. Now applying the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root d over 2a. Substituting the values, minus 0 plus minus 1600 root 2 into 1. So we get minus 0 is 0, plus minus 1600 means plus minus 40 by 2. So we will get 40 over 2 and minus 40 over 2. This is 20 and this is minus 20. As length can never be negative, therefore rejecting x is equal to minus 20, because length can never be negative. Hence, we get length is 2x, that means 2 into 20, 40 meters, and breadth is x, that is 20 meters. I hope you people will be able to do now questions based upon the nature of roots. With this, our chapter quadratic equations is finished, and you will solve the examples before exercise 4.4. Thank you.